So, hey,
What's up, man?
why your face looks so sad?
I don't have money, man. Like, I'm really broke, man. Like,
Actually, I can teach you how to spend on budget.
oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's true. Wah, Nujun, damn hungry lah. I haven't eaten for breakfast yet.
What did you say?
Oh, you have food now?
Yeah, I got food now. Here's one. Here's another one. Nah.
Wow, thank you, man. Thank you for the sponsor. Okay, bye. I don't need you anymore. Bye bye, bro.
Hey,
Bye bye.
this and this, 3 ringgit. You can have this for lunch, this is 3 ringgit, and this one is 2 ringgit. And you can spend lunch and dinner. This is for your dinner, this is 4 ringgit, and this one is 1 ringgit. And for the water, you can refill from the water cooler anytime.
Damn, thanks, dude, for helping me out. You're making me save money, man, these days.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Hey, Minjun, you know, like after you taught me how to save budget, like this is how much I made after 2 weeks, man. It's a lot. Yeah, a lot, right, bro?
Very good, man.
Well, I go home first, lah, bro. Thanks for helping me, man.
Ciao.
See you soon, ah.
Yeah.
Take care, bro.
Welcome.
See you.
Bye bye.